Allah Almighty at the day of Alastu bi Rabbikum has placed Ismi Allah Zaat within our spirits and clearly described in the following glorious verses. Indeed, we offer the trust in form of Ismi Allah Zaat to heavens and the earth and the mountains, but they declined to bear this burden and felt scared of it. But man took it on. Verily, he is given the wrongdoing against his own spirit, unwise and extremely ignorant of consequences of lapse in paying back their trust. Again, Almighty Allah describes, it is they in whose heart Allah has inscribed faith and has strengthened them